Hello amazing timeliners, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Timeline TV and you are welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, do not forget to follow me, do not forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please support your girls. So in this video today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious shortbread. So let's get started. So here I have my unsalted butter. Yeah, I'm using 300 grams and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So I whisk them all together until they are well creamed, and make sure you whisk on low speed. So here it is guys, it's all looking creamy, and then I'll be adding powdered sugar. So in this video I used 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I whisk again until well combined. So now it's all looking good. I'll be adding my flour. I used 3 cups of flour, but I'll be adding them little by little until I'm through with it. So once I'm done adding it, I'll whisk all together again on low speed guys, don't forget. So now I'm done whisking. Make sure you grease your pan and put your baking paper on. So now I'll pop the dough inside the baking pan and then I'll level them. Serving up dishes that'll surely impress. Life's a vlog and we're living it full, sharing every moment. Try as much as possible to make it smooth. It's the perfect blend. With each new episode, it's a trend we set. Welcome to Timeline TV. Come join the spree where lifestyle and flavor meet naturally. From the first bite to the final view, authentic chef bringing joy to you. Morning routine. So now it's all looking good. You can see it's looking all smooth. Then I'll be making a line on it. So this is just to make it easy after baking it, so it can come out easily without breaking. So once I'm done with this, I'll now make a design with the fork. It's looking like shortbread now. What do you guys think? Yeah, this is looking so good. So now, yeah, just make a design with the fork on top of it. And guys, we are all done here. It's so easy. So I'm all done. I'll be putting this in my oven. It takes just 25 minutes to cook and the shortbread will be ready. 25 minutes after, our shortbread is ready guys. What do you think? Will you be trying this? It's so yummy guys. Please don't forget to subscribe again on my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my page. Like, share, comment guys. Encourage your girls, support me, please help me to grow. Thank you so much guys. I will see you all in my next video. This is yummy guys. You need to try this. It melts right in the mouth. Bye guys.